No, in Module 4, we're going to start examining lessons and taking them through the different steps through SAMR. First thing we're going to do is review the 4 different steps that are involved in SAMR, starting at the bottom with substitution, where the tech just basically replaces a paper and pencil tool or other non-technology tool. Second step up is augmentation, where the tech acts as a direct tool substitute but with some functional improvement. Modifications this third step and allows for significant task redesign. Many times it involves collaboration with peers or allowing student work to be accessed by a larger public than the school building. And then redefinition is the higher level, and this is a complete creation of new tasks when given the assignment. The first task that we're going to take through the different steps of SAMR is the typical essay-style written response to a story, play, or article. In substitution, the word processor program acts just like a paper and pencil as the student begins to type out their essay. In augmentation, you may add something with it, maybe a text-to-speech system to the word processor to make it easier to write the essay. In modification, this may be where they post the essay onto a blog to allow different students to respond to it, to review it, and make the edit cycles a little bit richer. And then the higher level would be redefinition, where instead of a written test, the students make a multimedia response to an essay and even create a video. The second test we're going to look at is using chart paper markers that is used by students to communicate their solution to a math problem. Substitution would be just placing the activity up on the classroom activity board system, or Smartboard or Promethean. And instead of being on paper, it's just being shown on the board in front of the class. Augmentation will include all the solutions being up there on the board and saved, but then compiled on one side to do a bandshell analysis of the solutions, always evaluate which one's better, which steps are needed. Modification will be saving the bandshell solutions and becomes part of the student's anti collection of strategies. And we're starting to look at combining peer work. And then the last one would be redefinition, where the students use their own devices to collect, record, sort, and annotate and document the problem-solving strategies into an e-portfolio. The final test we're going to look at is a concept map demonstrating understanding the properties of matter. Substitution, we're just using concept mapping software like MindMeister or others instead of using a paper and pencil. The second step would be augmentation, where we might be able to link different illustration and links and add a little bit more detail and examples to the mind mapping software. And therefore the task is enhanced. The third step would be modifications, where the students may be able to post the graphic portion of it and then do some reflections, and then some peers make some comments. And the last level maybe is redefinition. Students may use Minecraft and the video record their adventures in Minecraft as they demonstrate the different 3 states of matter as they go throughout Minecraft. This also allows them to video record the reflection also. And therefore the task is transformed. So as you can see, we can take different curriculum matters and go through the different steps of SAMR. We all can take some different professional learning or organization tools through SAMR and enhance or modify and make our professional lives easier. The next steps that you would need to take in the activities will be asking you to pick 2 or 3 different lessons or activities and come up with possible solutions to move them through the different steps. Thank you for watching and have a great day.